Hey guys, this is Nisi again. This is Monday Night Pour Part 3. And that is because I have so much paint left that I have to put it onto a canvas. I'm not going to pour it into another bottle. I'm going to pour it onto a canvas. Probably is going to be a whole lot of paint. I don't want to do another swipe. I've done 2 for the night. Thank you for joining me. Give to glory. This is yours truly, Nisi. Okay, and so with that said, we know that we have the yellow, which I don't have to use. We have the burnt umber. We have the Egyptian gold and the Venetian gold, right? And so we're kind of wanting to draw some lines here with it. I'm not sure that I want to do any swipes or anything like that. In the previous 2 swipes it just really came out really super good. So again, I'm not certain as to what here. I'm just gonna free pour here and hope that it comes out pretty good. Oh, that's quite a bit, ma'am. That's quite a bit. You see, that's quite a bit. Do want it to run off the edge. And I did take off the one glove here. And we're going to kind of let it do its thing here. Kind of let it do its thing. Okay. And then I am going to come in here with the burnt umber. Super dark yellow, super dark. And I may just come here right next to that. Well, let's start over here, right? Let's just go right beside this. Let's go right in beside this band. And I kind of want these lines to come together. Sometimes when you're pouring, you may have one idea in mind and something else comes along, and that's what actually just happened. So this is the Venetian gold. And I am going to put a space between the Venetian gold and the burnt umber. It looks chocolate, burnt umber. I'm going to come back in with some of that burnt umber, just a tad bit right here. Okay. Alright, if you hear anybody talking, my daughter-in-law just came in from work, and my granddaughter, who was supposed to be asleep, stayed awake because she wanted to see her mommy. Okay, guys, and so I'm going to keep that going, except for here. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger because I had paint left, but I didn't have burnt umber, not brown. Okay. There we go. Guys, I still got a lot of paint left. And I need to pull this down here. Let me just get the stick from that color. Push it down a little bit. Just roll one off the canvas. Okay. still have brown. I need to put some here. Roll off the canvas. A little more here. Roll off to the side of the canvas, will you please? And just a little bit right here. A little bit right here. And some here. There we go. And this is amazing. The stuff here is amazing. And I do have a little bit of white. A little bit of white here. Let's see. I'm going to thin this out just a tad bit. Thin it out just a tad bit. Stir it up really good. I might come back in with the brown and make this heavier. Guys, when I tell you I'm freewheeling this all the way, freewheeling it all the way. Okay. Who paints without a plan? I just did. Didn't want to waste the paint. Didn't want to pour it into bottles. Okay. Now, I'm not putting the white down with the brown just yet. Simply because the brown just did something different. It just went zebra-like here. This went, I don't even know. I can't even call this right here. Right, and so I want to move it a little bit. Maybe what I will do is I will torch it a little bit. I may have to get another torch because last I looked, I may have to fill it up, guys. This one is full and it stopped working on me the other day. So I'm going to probably do that last. Okay. Just want to move it. Let it slightly touch one another there. Bring it back down. It's amazing. See what's moving and what's not. Okay, I hear the paint dripping. Drip, 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 drip. Now what's amazing to me, I only got movement from these two, maybe just a little bit, right? This is very much different for me, very different. And I love the way this came out. Wow. guys, you have to see this. I'm amazed. Amazing. This is amazing. So sometimes it works for you and sometimes it doesn't. Okay? Well, it falls right in with the time of year it is. These look like leaves. This looks like some zebra print, I'm not sure. I'm scared to mess with that, guys. I am totally afraid to mess with that. Or this, because now the white has come up and trimmed this brownish stuff here, umber, with the white. And so, and this white spread it out. Spread it out. Going to use the Egyptian gold. There we go. And here, draw it a little bit too much, but chop it off. what I'm doing now is that these look like fingers here, but it was so far away from the second leaf that I'm extending that closer into this. I'm calling it a leaf. I guess that's what it is. It's doing its own thing from the swigglies here. But this swiggly did something different, zebra-like, okay? This did made cells, like I'm not sure. But I like it because it's very different, okay? This white, this Anita's white, it's very heavy. Okay, it's very heavy. And whatever you put on to it, it sort of envelops it, like it did here, right? That, my friends, is beautiful. And so I'm pretty much done with it. I'm certain once I refuel my torch, I will get some type of cell action here, but it's very beautiful. Very beautiful. So I hope you can see everything that is done. I will show you pictures of it when it dries, and I still have leftover paint, but there will not be another painting tonight. Do thank you for joining me, Nisi. Give the glory for Monday Night Pour Part 3. You guys have a great night, and I shall see you on the next acrylic pour. Thank you. Bye-bye. If you can't have a good night, just go ahead on and go to sleep. Night-night.